Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to flip the image on Google Docs. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red plus subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to flip the image on your Google Docs? You just don't go to the insert option and click on the image. Instead of it, you just need to click on the drawing and click on plus to flip the image. So here you just click on the image option here and click the image and insert the image that you want from your computer. So I just going to insert this image from my computer. So it's actually uploading here. So after loading, you can see our image here. Now you just need to click on the action on the top, and here you can have option called rotate, and in this rotate you can have option called flip horizontally or flip vertically. You can flip horizontal or flip vertical by using this drawing option, and after flipping the image you click on the save and close. It automatically appears here. So while you are going and clicking on the image and you just insert the image like this, you can't have option to flip. You can see this option, go to the size and rotation option. Here there is no option to rotate. Sorry, there is no option to flip. It's only have the option to rotate. So you just need to click on the insert option and click on the drawing and just insert the image and flip the image that you want, and you can easily flip the image by using this method in Google Docs. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. If you want more content about Google Docs, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.